If you're new to detailing and don't want to spend hours building a product collection, an all-in-one kit is the fastest way to start. I tested 7 detailing kits under $50 from Amazon to find which ones actually include quality products, and which ones are just cheap bottles in a nice box. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Car Cleaning Kit. This 7-piece kit brings professional-grade products to your garage without breaking the bank. You get citrus wash and gloss soap for effective cleaning, wheel cleaner for your tires, and total interior cleaner for dashboards and upholstery. The kit also includes a car wash mitt to protect your paint while scrubbing. However, at this price point, the product quantities are smaller than full-size bottles, so you may run through supplies faster than expected. For budget-conscious detailers, the Chemical Guys Car Cleaning Kit is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Armor All Car Wash and Car Cleaner Kit. This 4-product bundle delivers comprehensive coverage for your vehicle, is exterior and interior. You get an Ultra Shine car wash and wax concentrate, glass wipes for crystal clear windows, protectant spray to defend your dashboard, and tire foam that cleans without scrubbing. The versatility here makes it ideal for one-stop maintenance. However, some products are concentrated formulas that require dilution, which means you need to mix them correctly before use. For drivers seeking all-purpose coverage, the Armor All Car Wash and Car Cleaner Kit is a practical choice. At number 3, we have the TTRCB 26-piece Car Detailing Brush Set. This comprehensive collection includes various brush styles for interior, exterior, wheels, and windshield cleaning. You get soft bristle brushes for delicate surfaces like leather seats, stiffer brushes for tires and grills, and specialty brushes for vents and tight spaces. The diversity of tools means you are ready for virtually any cleaning task. However, with this many brushes, storage and organization can become cumbersome without a dedicated holder. For detail-oriented cleaners, the TTRCB 26-piece Car Detailing Brush Set is a thorough choice. At number 4, we have the MIANYINGR 32-piece Red Car Detailing Kit. This kit combines brushes, polishing pads, and a drill brush attachment to tackle multiple surfaces. The drill brush adapter lets you use a power drill for faster cleaning on wheels and stubborn grime. You also get foam and microfiber polishing pads for waxing and buffing work. The included handbag makes storage convenient and portable. However, the drill brush may require a compatible drill, so you need to own a power drill to maximize this kit's potential. For hands-on detailers, the MIANYINGR 32-piece Red Car Detailing Kit is a versatile choice. At number 5, we have the HMPLL 10-piece Auto Car Detailing Brush Set. This focused collection delivers quality over quantity, with 5 boar hair brushes and 3 wire brushes. Boar hair bristles are gentle on paint and leather, while wire brushes handle stubborn contaminants on wheels and grills. The kit also includes 2 air vent brushes for interior vents and tight crevices. However, the smaller selection means fewer specialized tools, so you may need to purchase additional brushes for specific cleaning tasks. For buyers wanting essential brushes, the HMPLL 10-piece Auto Car Detailing Brush Set is a reliable choice. Coming up next, we have the TTRCB 10-piece Car Detailing Cleaning Kit. This all-in-one bundle merges brushes, cleaning gel, and microfiber cloths into one package. The cleaning gel removes embedded dirt and grime from interior surfaces without harsh chemicals. Microfiber cloths are included to dry and buff your vehicle after washing. The compact size keeps your detailing supplies organized in one place. However, the gel's strength may not be sufficient for heavy stains, requiring multiple applications or supplemental cleaners. For convenient interior cleaning, the TTRCB 10-piece Car Detailing Cleaning Kit is a practical choice. The last one on our list is the Detail Dudes Car Detailing Brush Set. This 3-piece professional set focuses on premium scratch-free boar hair brushes designed for interior and exterior work. Each brush is crafted to clean leather seats without damage, tackle wheel dirt safely, and detail paint surfaces without swirling. The boar hair naturally grips dirt particles while remaining gentle on delicate finishes. However, only 3 brushes means limited variety for different cleaning tasks, so you may need additional specialized tools for comprehensive detailing. For quality-focused buyers, the Detail Dudes Car Detailing Brush Set is a premium choice. That wraps up our breakdown of the best detailing kits under $50. Each option delivers solid value and reliable tools for keeping your car looking sharp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.